Welcome to Worth It Repairs by Mark! And this repair is definitely worth it. An iPhone 12 screen replacement. Here we go. We grab out our P2 screwdriver and unscrew the two bottom screws. And I actually struggled a little bit during this repair because I was trying to use the suction cups to get the screen off. But then I decided that it was broken enough that I could probably just take it off with my metal pry tool. But they say practice makes perfect, and you can get it off with this and you won't break the screen on future repairs like charge ports and all that other stuff. But then I grab out the metal pry tool, pull it off here. I'm at work, just you gotta heat up the screen a little more and just try to get it so it comes off for me. I really heat it up. My friend says the temperature you want it is too hot to touch, so that's how hot I got it. Alright, it was totally worth it. We got the screen off. Move it to the left instead of the right. It's different than other phones. Then you want to grab your PH000Y screwdriver, unscrew the battery connection is down on the bottom. There's a metal bracket covering it, and then there's also PH000 screws covering the proximity sensor ear speaker connection. And this repair is actually pretty quick. You'd be surprised how fast I can get some of these done. But I'm just going to have you guys continue watching the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Real quick, a quick trick to getting off the proximity sensor bracket. You got to lift it from the left and then over to the right. So then it comes off. Alright, now it's time to remove those Y triple screws from the back of the screen. It's holding the proximity sensor and the ear speaker. You do not want to break it. If you break it, Face ID will not work anymore. You make sure you apply heat to it. If you don't apply heat, you're definitely going to break it and you're going to have an unhappy customer without Face ID. And it took me a while to get it off. It was actually really difficult. It probably took me the longest. You can watch how I pry it here on the video, and hopefully you don't struggle as bad as I did on this one. But normally it's not this hard, but this one was really hard to get off. Worth it! I got it off. It didn't break. Alright, I gotta go grab the new screen here and then put the proximity sensor ear speaker on the new screen assembly and put together the phone and test it and then put it all the way back together. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe for more videos.